Hello everyone. Today we are learning about MS Access. But before that, let us understand what is database management system. So first of all, let us know what is data. It can be a quantity, symbol or character on which operations are performed. Data is information which is converted into digital form. What is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronic in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system software. How many types of database are there? There are many types of database, out of which some are given below. Centralized database, cloud database, distributed database, document oriented database, navigational database, object-oriented database, and relational database. Now, what are the advantages of database? Enhanced and improved data security. Data redundancy is reduced. The consistency of data is increased. Data integrity and independence. Improved data access to users through use of host and query languages. Development of new application program is facilitated. There are some disadvantages also of database, like time is consumed in designing complex database system. Damage to database affects virtually all application programs. Considerable hardware and software startup cost. Extensive conversion cost in shifting from a file-based system to a database system. Training is required for all programmers and users. Some parts where databases run your life. Online television streaming, any online streaming service such as Hotstar or Netflix. Social gaming, personal cloud storage, sports, finances, government organizations, social media, and e-commerce. Some examples of database are a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft Access, SQL Server, Oracle Database, Sybase, Informix, MySQL. Now, what is database? A database is a software used to store and manage data. It also offers manipulation of the data like insertion, deletion, and updating of data. DBMS system also performs the function like defining, creating, revising, and controlling the database. It is specially designed to create and maintain data and enable the individual business application to extract the desired data. What is RDBMS? The full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. It is an advanced version of a DBMS system. RDBMS system also allows the organization to access data more efficiently than DBMS. RDBMS is a software system which is used to store only data which need to be stored in the form of tables. In this kind of system, data is managed and stored in row and columns, which is known as tuples and attributes. RDBMS is a powerful database management system and is widely used across the world. Now this is the part 1 for the video. Wait for the part 2. Thank you.